Don't have webcam for computer? No problem. If you have a computer, but you don't have a webcam to use with it? Or your laptop's built-in webcam just broke and need to attend your online schooling, or an urgent online video meeting using Zoom, Google Meet, Skype, or others. If you have a phone, either Android smartphone or iPhone, then you are in luck. You can use it as a webcam on your computer. In this video, you're gonna learn how to use phone as webcam. All it takes is the right Android app or Apple app, a Windows software client, a few taps and clicks here and there. In this guide, we will show all the steps required to transform your Android smartphone or iPhone into a webcam. For your Windows PC, let's get started. What do you need? If you want to use an Android smartphone or iPhone as a webcam for your Windows PC, you need to download and install an app that turns your Android smartphone, tablet, or iPhone into an HD webcam for Windows PC. There are many apps available in the Google Play Store or Apple Store. But after testing several of them, the one we liked best was iVCam webcam apps on Google Play. The app works by creating a connection between your Android smartphone and your Windows computer, either by using a wireless network or via a USB cable. What is iVCam? iVCam turns your Android smartphone, tablet, or iPhone into an HD webcam for Windows PC. You can also replace your old USB webcam or integrated webcam with it, which has a better quality than most webcams, and is compatible with all webcam-enabled applications. Replace your USB webcam or integrated webcam now with your phone. No enough space on your device? iVCam can record the video directly to your PC, works just like a remote video recorder. It's also a perfect baby monitor, spy cam, security camera, and pet cam. Setting up iVCam is very simple. Just follow these simple steps to set up iVCam. Open Google Chrome browser, or any other browser you want to use. Type in www.e2soft.com/iVCam in the Google address bar. Or type in iVCam in Google search bar. Select iVCam, use mobile phone as a PC webcam in the results page. In E2soft website, click the download for Windows link. Choose either x64 or x86. Whichever one you have, go ahead and click on it. In my case, I have x64 Windows, so I'm gonna click on x64. Once you click on it, you should see your browser initiate a download. Wait for the download to finish. And click on the file once it's finished downloading. It will pop up to select the language to use during installation. Just choose your desired language, and click OK. Next, choose the folder where you want to put this. I'm gonna leave it in the default location. Click on Next. And, click on Next again. Last, click on Install. Now, that it is finished installing, it will ask if you would like to run iVCam. I'm gonna click on Finish, and run it. Now it will prompt, waiting for iVCam connection. And that's because we need to install it in our phone first. So, let's jump over to our phone and install the iVCam app there. Today, I'm using an Android phone. But you could be also using an iPhone, and this will work there as well. On Android phone, click on Google Play Store. If you're on iPhone, click on App Store. Once you're in the store, let's search for the app iVCam. Select iVCam webcam by E2soft and click on Install. It will pop up for iVCam webcam needs access to. Just choose Accept. Wait for the iVCam webcam to download, and finish installing. Now, that it is finished installing, you will now see Open. I'm gonna click on Open, to run it. Once app is opened, you will see, searching for iVCam PC. Once it found the iVCam on your PC, it will now connect automatically. By clicking the gear icon on your Android phone, or clicking the three horizontal bar on the bottom right screen of the E2soft iVCam, you can change the video orientation to either portrait or landscape. If you like this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below. If you have any questions or requests for videos you like me to make, let me know by leaving a comment below. I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.